Hi guys, look, little birdie has a hamster wheel.
Can you see him in the wheel with the chair in the way, buddy?
Look! The hamster wheel, Oliver? Get back on the hamster wheel. Hi! Most of the videos that we have remade are stupid.
Get your wheel.
Because you are always camera shy. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Look at the camera. See the camera? You like it?
What, honey?
Think that's another birdie? Will you make it one? May I actually get another birdie? Oh, wait a minute.
What about it?
She's gonna get on. He's not gonna, I don't think he's gonna go on the hamster wheel anymore. Are you gonna dance? Do. Sorry guys, you really have never seen him talk before. Say hi. Say hi to the people. Yeah, you're gonna say hi? Yeah, you're gonna say hi? You're gonna say hi? You're gonna say hi? Or hi? Hi, birdie. Hi. Never get to see him talk, guys. Never. What?
Turn the video off now. Daddy has to ask you something.
Okay, Mom, you keep recording. You keep it. Mom, are you gonna add this part out? Oh,
Get in your wheel. Where's your wheel?
Can I get on your wheel again?
Yeah, go get your wheel. Get in your wheel. Jerry, go talk to Daddy. Get in your wheel. See the birdie? Where's the birdie? Oh, kiss. Kiss the birdie. Kiss. Kiss the birdie. Show me kiss. Kiss. Kiss the birdie. Pretty bird. Whoa. I love you. Kiss. Aw. 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 I love you. Whoa.